What's up, my LBB fam? Now, the premise of this video series is to show you how to turn a Road King into a Cholo style motorcycle. Now, we all can agree that the Cholo is a beautiful motorcycle, but with beauty comes a cost. With Cholos, costs are high, but here I'm going to show you how to do it on a budget. Oh, it broke off. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the bags, empty the bags, then remove them. After I figure out how to take the bag off. All right, first thing we're gonna do is remove these saddlebags. Next, we're going to remove the seat. We will first start by disconnecting the lights and accessories to the rear fender. So we have 5 bolts to remove the rear fender. You have one here, and you have another one here, under there. Same area on the other side, and one in the front of the fender. So we're going to remove those. Quick pro tip for you guys. You have your screws. You got the little organizer here. Put all the screws in the organizer, and it's labeled where they go on the motorcycle. Quick little pro tip. Now we're ready to remove the front fender. Now we're going to remove this handlebar trim, because we're going to take these bars off, and the sail off, and the turn signals. Now we're going to remove all the brakes, lights, everything off of the handlebars. These bars, when I bought the bike, it didn't have anything ran through the bars. Matter of fact, the bars didn't even have the holes drilled out in them to run the lines, but we're going to run those on the new bars, the 18s we got. These are 13s. So we're going to start removing the mirrors. This is an acorn nut on this side. The other side is an Allen wrench. So one of them is not correct. Both of them might not be correct for all I know. Taking off the left side. Make sure you don't drop your washers. Now we're removing the whole left side controls. Now to remove the throttle cables, I'm just going to mutilate the plastic because these are going in the trash anyway. Now we have to remove these 4 Allen bolts. The next thing we're going to remove is the sail and this light bar. I already had the LEDs put in after I first got the bike. I was so excited to make changes before I decided to do a video. So let's get started. Now I'm going to remove the 4 acorn nuts. We had 2 on each side of the nacelle. So that's the breakdown of the Road King. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take all our painted parts, prep them for paint, and give it a beautiful makeover.